Let's go ahead and start working with our timeline. I will now open the folder video. And let's take this beautiful shot of a city. Click on it, hold it, and drag it to your timeline. Then release it. There's our first footage. The blue line is our time scroller, in which we can go forward or backward in time. Right down here, within the program window, you can change the resolution. So I could change this to full resolution or a half of that resolution. I would always recommend you not placing this on full, since it will decrease your performance. Changing this will also not affect the end result, so don't worry if you place it on a very low setting. It will only affect your preview.